Good morning, grade 5. Today we will talk about the useless zero in decimal number. As we know, the decimal number has a decimal part and a whole part. Now, in decimal part, only the zero at the right is useless if there is no digit after that zero. Example, 3 and 690 thousandths. The decimal part here is 690. I have one zero at the right. So here the zero is useless. And it's equal to 3 and 69 hundredths. Another example, 30 hundredths. I have one zero to the right and it's useless, and this number is equal to 3 tenths. But here I have one zero to the left. The zero here represents that the whole number is zero. There is no whole number. Another example, 2 and 500 thousandths. In this number, I have two unnecessary zero, two useless zero. Now, and this decimal number is equal to 2 and 5 tenths. Last example here in decimal part, 2 and 6 thousandths. The decimal part here is 6, and there is no zero after that. Even if I have here two zeros, but I have a digit after that zero, so this zero is not useless, because here the zero represents the tenths and the hundredths, and 6 here represent the thousandths. Now, in whole part, I have here 50 and 2 tenths. In whole part, only the zero to the left is useless if there is no digit before them. So here I have one digit to the left and it's useless. And this number is equal to 50 and 2 tenths. Another example, 207 and 3 thousandths. In this number, there is no useless zero. All the zeros represent a digit. For example, here, 207, in the whole part, the zero here represent the tenths, and in the decimal part, the zeros here represent the tenths and the hundredths. So there is no useless zero here. In the third example here, I have 60 and 1 tenths. In the whole part, which is 60, I have two zeros to the left, and here I have two useless zero, and this number is equal to 60 and 1 tenths. Now open your book at page 90, exercise 12. Remove the useless zero. Remember, in whole number, we look at the zero to the left, and decimal part, we look at the zero to the right. Here, the decimal part has one zero to the right, so we remove it. 30, it's a whole number, so we have to look at the left. There is no zero. Now here, look at the whole part, which is 3. So I have one zero to the left, I remove it. 30 and 0 tenths. The decimal part, look at the zero at the right and remove it. Now 30, it's a whole number. We look at the zero to the left and remove it. It's useless. Now I want you to look at this decimal number, 0 and 3 tenths, or 3 tenths. The zero here represents that the whole number is 0. There is no whole number. Pay attention about this decimal number. And last decimal number, 300 and 3000. The zero are important because every zero represents a digit, a place. So there is no useless zero here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.